Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see blocked users in the Brainly app. First let's open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, and then tap on blocked users. And here we will find the list of people that we have blocked inside the Brainly app, and here we can check who these people are, and we can also unblock them if we made up our mind. But yeah, that's how and where you would do these things. And I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.